Students, today we will read about universal law of gravitation. Now, according to this law, every body in the universe attracts every other body with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, Let us suppose there are two bodies A and B. Masses of A body is m1 and the mass of the second body B is m2. These are the two center points of the two respective bodies, and the two bodies are separated by distance r. So according to this law, the force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of their masses. So m1 into m2. This is the first equation. And force of attraction is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So it is inversely proportional to 1 upon r square. So F proportional to 1 upon r square. This is second equation. Now we combine first and second equation. So we get F proportional to m1 into m2 upon r square. And in the mathematics we remove this proportionality sign and put a constant. So this constant is capital G. So F is equal to the constant capital G, and the other variables will remain same, m1 into m2 upon r square. So this is the mathematical expression of universal law of gravitation. Now units. Now F is equal to capital G m1 into m2 upon r square. So the unit of force is Newton into unit of distance is meter, so it is r square m square upon m1 m2, both have unit of kilogram. So kilogram into kilogram is equal to G. So it will be Newton meter square per kg square. So this is the SI unit of universal gravitational constant. SI unit of universal gravitational constant. Here G is said to be universal gravitational constant. M1 is the mass of first body, m2 is the mass of second body, and r is the distance between the two bodies. So the SI unit of universal gravitational constant is Newton meter square per kg square, and the universal gravitational, the formula is F is equal to capital G m1 into m2 upon r square. Value of capital G, universal gravitational constant. So the value of universal gravitational constant capital G is 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. This is the value, and it will always remain same. It will not change. So 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11 is the value of universal gravitational constant, and Newton meter square per kg square is the SI unit of G, SI unit of capital G. So this is about the universal law of gravitation. In the next video, we will discuss about some numericals based on universal law of gravitation. Thank you, students. Please like and share my video, and also subscribe my YouTube channel, Bobby Competitive Classes. Thank you.